Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Silverado mirror. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a socket set, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your new mirror is compatible with your specific Silverado model. Before starting, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to avoid any electrical shorts or unexpected power surges during the process. This simple step ensures your safety and protects your truck's electrical system. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by using your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel trim, exposing the mirror's mounting bolts. You'll typically find 3 or 4 bolts. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the mirror away from the door. Don't forget to disconnect the electrical wiring harness before completely detaching the old mirror. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully connect the new mirror's electrical harness to the vehicle's wiring. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Next, align the new mirror with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert the mounting bolts and hand tighten them initially. Then, use your socket wrench to tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could strip the threads. Almost done. Reconnect your vehicle's battery. Now, sit in the driver's seat and test all the new mirror's functions. Check the power adjustments, turn signals if applicable, and heating elements. Ensure the mirror glass moves smoothly and provides a clear view. Finally, reinstall the interior door panel trim pieces, making sure they snap back into place securely. For other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below. You'll find everything you need there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.